If your hair has been stuck at a particular length and you want to grow long hair in this year 2025, you may want to try this hair growth spray, and I guarantee you in 14 days you're going to see visible results. This has helped me and I want to share it out with you girlies. So why not just stay with me, watch this video to the end, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go straight to this video. You will need fresh rosemary or dried rosemary, a plastic rubber or a container, two containers actually, a measuring cup, a straining cap or a cheesecloth for straining, a funnel, and finally your spray bottle that you're going to be using for the spray. First things first, get your rosemary leaves. I'm using these dried rosemary leaves from this brand. It is 100% natural and it is very, very affordable. I got it for 700 naira, which is less than $1. Now we're going to use our measuring cup to measure out 20 ml of this rosemary. This cup has its highest measurement as 10 ml, so we are going to be using two full cups, that's 20 ml. Okay, so this is quite okay because you want to make sure you don't do this too much so you don't waste your spray. I'm going to be adding cloves because cloves helps to circulate blood around the scalp, but it's totally optional. If your scalp easily gets irritated by cloves, I will advise that you skip this option. Okay, now you're going to add hot water or boiled water to it and leave to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. I left this for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes, this is how it's looking. You can see that the color has changed. You're going to strain out that mixture and then transfer the strained content into your spray bottle as I am doing. So if you can't use hot water, you can use normal room temperature water. It's just that you have to keep it for 2 days to infuse. Okay, so the hot water method is just like a fast method, but if you don't want to use hot water, you can actually use normal warm water and then keep it till like the next day or 48 hours later, and your mixture will be ready. But I always prefer using hot water because it gives me an immediate effect. Now you're going to get that and spray it into your hair. I'm going to be telling you the benefits of rosemary to hair growth. Rosemary helps to circulate blood around the scalp. It helps in hair growth. Yes, if you're struggling with hair growth, you want to use rosemary leaves for your spray, for your tea rings, or for even your oils, right? For your DIY herbal oils, rosemary is very good. It also helps to cure dandruffs and flaky scalp. If you've been having issues with dandruff, you want to use rosemary because it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the scalp. Also, rosemary prevents itchy scalp and it also strengthens the hair. It has also been proven to darken the hair. So if you're struggling with gray hair or if you want to get your hair darkened, please I would advise that you use rosemary herbal spray. Spray directly to your scalp and the roots of your hair and make sure to massage it while you are done. Now, herbs like rosemary and cloves have properties that makes your hair dry. So you want to make sure to go in with your leave-in conditioner and your oils and hair butter when you are done so that your hair do not get dry and do not break. But overall, rosemary helps to reduce breakage and increase hair growth. Once you are done, just seal it with your oil and that is all. You'll begin to see visible results from 7 days to 14 days. Please make sure you use this every day if you can, but if you can't, 2 to 3 times a week, it's okay. And if you cannot use it as a hairspray, if your scalp gets really irritated, I advise I use it as an after wash rinse, like after your wash day. Use it as a rinse and do not wash out. If you found value in this video, if you've learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and share this video to as many girlies that are out there. If this is your first time watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.